the latest updates, deep dives, and expert insights into the world of motorcycles. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated sport bikes of the year, the 2025 Honda CBR600RR. Whether you're a longtime fan of the iconic supersport or you're just discovering what makes the 600 cubic centimeters class so exciting, this video is your full guide. From design updates and performance upgrades to new tech features and how it stacks up against the competition, we've got everything covered. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the machine that's keeping the middleweight class alive and thrilling. The legacy of the CBR600RR. Before we get into the 2025 model, let's take a quick look at the legacy of the CBR600RR. Originally introduced in 2003, this bike was inspired by Honda's MotoGP efforts and quickly made a name for itself with razor-sharp handling, smooth power delivery, and legendary reliability. For over 2 decades, the CBR600RR has been the go-to machine for riders who want track-focused performance with street-legal practicality. Over the years, many manufacturers have stepped back from the 600 cubic centimeters supersport category, but Honda has continued to refine and evolve the CBR600RR, keeping it alive for those who crave the excitement of high-revving inline-fours and race-bred dynamics. And in 2025, Honda is doubling down on that commitment with a model that blends racing DNA with modern technology. Design and aesthetics, sharper than ever. The 2025 Honda CBR600RR doesn't just perform like a supersport, it looks like one, too. The new model features a more aerodynamic fairing design, heavily inspired by the RC213V MotoGP bike. The front fascia is sleeker, with aggressive dual-LED headlights, integrated winglets for downforce, and improved airflow management. Honda's design team has also updated the tail section, making it more compact and tapered. The new color schemes for 2025 include a striking HRC tricolor, matte black stealth, and a limited edition MotoGP replica. The overall stance of the bike is aggressive and ready to pounce, a clear signal that this isn't just a commuter bike with a fairing, but a true track-ready weapon. Engine and performance. A rev-happy powerhouse. At the heart of the 2025 CBR600RR lies a 599 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-4 engine, which remains one of the most exhilarating motors in the category. While it maintains the high-revving nature riders love, Honda has made a few tweaks to enhance mid-range torque and throttle response. The engine produces around 120 horsepower at 14,000 RPM and delivers peak torque around 66 Nm at 11,500 RPM, making it an absolute screamer at high revs. However, with updated fuel mapping and intake tuning, it's now a bit more forgiving and flexible in the lower rev range, something daily riders will appreciate. The 6-speed transmission is paired with a quickshifter and auto blipper as standard in 2025, offering seamless upshifts and downshifts. This is a big win for both track riders and aggressive street riders who want maximum performance without compromising control. Chassis and handling, built for the corners. One of the biggest strengths of the CBR600RR has always been its razor-sharp handling, and the 2025 version continues to set the bar. The aluminum twin-spar frame offers excellent rigidity while maintaining a light curb weight of around 194 kilograms, 428 pounds. Honda has retained the 43mm Showa Big Piston Fork, BPF, up front and a unit ProLink rear shock at the rear, both fully adjustable for preload, compression, and rebound damping. These components give the CBR600RR incredible feedback and precision on the track, while still remaining manageable on the street. Braking is handled by radial-mounted Tokico 4-piston calipers gripping dual 310mm discs at the front, and a single 220mm disc at the rear. Combined with a dual-channel ABS system that can be customized through rider modes, the braking setup offers power, control, and confidence in all conditions. Electronics and rider aids. Race tech for the road. This is where the 2025 CBR600RR really shows its evolution. Unlike older supersports that offered minimal electronics, the new model comes loaded with modern rider aids, making it much more adaptable for both beginners and advanced riders. At the center is a ride-by-wire throttle system, which enables multiple riding modes, including track, sport, and rain. You also get 9-level traction control, wheelie control, engine braking control, and launch control. All of these features can be adjusted through a full-color TFT display, which is now brighter, easier to navigate, and customizable. Honda has also added cornering ABS and IMU-based electronics to ensure optimal performance under hard braking and mid-corner corrections. The inclusion of a track lap timer, gear position indicator, and fuel consumption metrics make it as functional as it is fast. Ergonomics and comfort, focused but usable. As a true supersport, the CBR600RR is designed with a forward-leaning riding position. Clip-on handlebars, high rear sets, and a narrow tank encourage an aggressive posture perfect for attacking corners. However, Honda has fine-tuned the ergonomics slightly for 2025, softening the seat padding and adjusting the bar angle for slightly better long-distance comfort. While it's no touring bike, the improved seat material and slightly more relaxed peg position make it usable for medium-length commutes or spirited weekend rides. Riders between 5 feet 6 inches and 6 feet 1 inch will find the bike quite manageable, with a seat height of 820 millimeters, 32.3 inches. Fuel efficiency and emissions, cleaner and smarter. One of the more underrated aspects of the 2025 update is Honda's effort to meet stricter emission standards without sacrificing performance. The bike is now €5 plus compliant, thanks to a redesigned exhaust system, refined fuel injection, and advanced catalytic converters. Fuel efficiency remains respectable for a supersport, with the bike averaging around 17 to 19 km/h, 40 to 45 miles per gallon, depending on how it's ridden. An 18-litre fuel tank gives you a decent range, and combined with the improved throttle response, it's not a bad daily rider if you're okay with the sport bike posture. Pricing and availability. As for pricing, the 2025 Honda CBR600RR is expected to start at around $12,999, with additional costs for optional accessories like race-spec levers, upgraded rear sets, or custom paint jobs. In some regions, a higher-spec track edition may be offered, including a race ECU and lightweight parts. Availability will vary depending on the market. In North America, Europe, and parts of Asia, the bike is expected to hit dealerships by late Q4 2025, with pre-orders already open in Japan and Australia. Competition, how it stacks up. The 600 cubic centimeters supersport category may be shrinking, but the competition is still fierce. The 2025 CBR600RR faces off against bikes like the Yamaha R6 Race, Kawasaki ZX6R, and even newer entries like the Aprilia RS660, which blends middleweight power with a more forgiving twin-cylinder setup. Where the CBR600RR stands out is in its pure race bike feel and bulletproof reliability. Unlike some rivals that lean toward everyday usability, Honda has kept the RR razor-focused, making it an ideal machine for riders who want track-day thrills with dependable engineering. The R6 might have slightly sharper top-end power, and the RS660 may be more comfortable, but when it comes to overall balance, the CBR600RR is hard to beat. Conclusion: a supersport that still matters. In a time when many manufacturers are moving away from the 600 cubic centimeters class, Honda is not only keeping the CBR600RR alive but elevating it. The 2025 model proves that the supersport segment still has relevance, especially for riders who crave high-revving engines, precise handling, and track-focused performance. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a track day junkie, or simply someone who appreciates the art of engineering, the 2025 Honda CBR600RR is a compelling package. It's fast, beautiful, technologically advanced, and built to last, a true homage to Honda's racing heritage. Thanks for watching this in-depth breakdown on Bike Updater Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions or want to compare the CBR600RR with another bike? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe and stay curious.